guess what the temperature is? It is 92 degrees. I cannot believe it. Even for South Florida, I think that's warmer than it should be this time of year. But hey, you know, I'll take it as long as it doesn't start storming later. Usually if it's a little higher in temperature than it should be, then it will storm in the afternoon. But that's okay. It's a beautiful day right now. Blue skies. Great day. Well, my sleep is a mess right now. This week was the first week of daylight savings time, and not every state participates in it, or parts of some states don't participate in it, but the state of Florida does, and I'm not sure every country participates in daylight savings time. I'm not a fan of it. I mean, I'll of course go along with it, but I think they just need to leave it alone. Just let it go. I'm sure at one time in history it was advantageous to change the time, but I think it's irrelevant now. I think they should just let it go. We are in a world that runs 24 hours a day, so why change it and cause any more confusion than there already is in the world? But hey, that's my little rant for the day. Maybe I'm a bit irritated because I'm somewhat jet lagged from the time change, but anyway, I got up early this morning and made a loaf of sourdough bread. Making sourdough has become my new obsession, and one day I will show you exactly how I make it, but I want to perfect it. I don't feel like I perfected the sourdough game yet, but let me put some video in here and show you a little bit of what I did. It turned out pretty good, didn't it? Well, it tasted as good as it looks. But that is probably, I'm going to guess, my 10th loaf of bread I've made, and it just gets better all the time. I've had a couple of duds, though, so I can't tell you that every loaf turns out perfectly. So I did that. And then I'm going to share some things with you because I went shopping. It is now spring, so somewhat, we're in the early part of spring weather-wise. Although it's 92 degrees outside, it doesn't feel like spring, it feels like summer. Anyway, I went out. So I went out shopping because I'm trying to get ready for a lot of spring occasions that are coming up. We have several events we're going to, and then we're going to be doing some traveling, and I have some ideas of things that I needed, and I thought, well, this is a perfect day to go out shopping. So I went shoe shopping again. That's something I've got to slow down on because I'm going to run out of shoe space. And the budget's going to run out, so I have to slow the roll on the shoe buying. But today I bought a pair of shoes that I've been looking for some time. They are, where's the other one? Oh, I thought maybe I had left it at the store. I got a pair of the black Chanel lambskin thongs. Let me get these out of here so you can get a better idea of what they look like. These are the perfect thong because you can wear them with dresses and slacks and all those things that you're going to be wearing in the summer. Sundresses. Branding is the interlocking C's right here, and these are in gold tone on black. And I thought they would be used the most. The taupe ones I bought a couple of years ago have a little heel on it, maybe an 1.5 inch heel. It's a block heel. These are perfectly flat. See, they just have the tiny little bit on the bottom. But that's what I found today. So I'm happy about that. And I'm happy I didn't walk out of the store with one shoe. That scared me for a moment. So let's put these away. If I use these as much as I use the taupe colored ones, I will be very happy. And they may not be called taupe. It may be cream or something in that neighborhood. So I will look that up. If it's not taupe or cream, I will put the name of the color of the ones I had before. And these are actually just plain black. Love those. And then I want to share something I'm reading. It's The Beautiful People. I think I showed it to you on Instagram that I was going to read it, and I'm just now getting to it, and I'm at the very end. Oh my goodness, this book is a have-to read. The Beautiful People, written by Michelle Gable. This is a great read. It is a historical novel. It is based on the inner circle of Lily Pulitzer. It is set mostly in Palm Beach in the early 60s, and the girl you see on the cover is the assistant to Slim Aarons, who was the renowned photographer of all the socialites and jet setters of the early 60s. So it's set in several locations, but mostly in Palm Beach. And of course they have to pop in Jackie Kennedy and all of the people who were in Palm Beach at that time. It begins in 1961. Love, love, love this book. It gives you some insight into the inner workings of the beginning of Lily Pulitzer's fashion line of brightly colored clothes, the whys and the whos and everything behind it. So if you're looking for the perfect read for spring break and summer vacation, I recommend The Beautiful People. I am on my way. My last stop for the day. I'm going to the grocery. But let me tell you what I'm wearing while I'm out. I am wearing, this top is a J. McLaughlin. I love the details on this. Look at those buttons. I have this top in a couple of colors, but I just found out they have the new spring colors out, so I'm going to be buying another one. Not sure the color I'm going to choose. They do have a pale green that I really am looking at. Speaking of green, did you see my slacks? Look at this. Bright green color. These are Jean-Pierre Khalifa's, and I have these in several colors. Once I find something I like, I'll buy it in a few colors, because why not? If you like it, buy it and enjoy it. I'm probably going to get this pair in black for an upcoming trip. So I've got to order that or go by their store, one or the other. I know now which ones fit the best. So I think these are the Jackies, actually. And I will let you know in the information box below which ones they are, but I do believe they're called the Jackies, and they come in a variety of colors. I am wearing, let's see, the earrings are pearl earrings, husband gift, necklace, pearl necklace on a loop, which I am in love with these loops. I have several necklaces that are not on chain, they're on loops, but you can interchange them. This was a husband gift. What else? Oh, I'm wearing, let's see if I can get it off. I am wearing Valentino rock stud cork sandals, very flat, perfect for walking. And what else? Well, I think that's it for today. And if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. And the best way to let YouTube know that you enjoy this channel is to subscribe. So tap the subscribe button, and then you'll be notified every time I post a new video. You'll be one of the first to know. And you can always follow me on Instagram. Bye.